Yan. So, you can put, kunyari dito, jealous business. Para siyang para lang ma-recognize mo na itong receipts na to for jealous business. Tapos mag-upload ka ng mga receipts from your business. So, usually mga expense or ganyan. Tapos the app will scan it and then parse each receipt. Ilalagay niya yung date, anong type siya ng expense, OR number, sino yung supplier, vatable purchase, tapos yung total amount, input VAT. Tapos ito, reference code, identifier lang to. Ito yung date, yung account date. And then ito yung receipt number. Ito sa jealous business. Para kapag dinownload na, and then you can actually edit pala if mali yung pagkakaparse ng AI. And then you can download it dito. So, ang i-output niya is PDF with 2 receipts per page. Tapos nakalagay yung page number and details here. Ito yung reference code na diniscuss ko kanina. Supplier, category, total amount. And then, mag-output din siya ng CSV file of all the transactions. So, ito yung tsura niya. And then, yan. And then, makikita mo dito kung anong page mo mahanap yung receipt na to from your PDF. Yan lang.